21st debacle last year, President Jacob Zuma has not returned to the National Assembly. Parliamentary rules say the president has to appear before it at least once per quarter or 4 times a year. Opposition parties want him to appear more often. The ANC says it doesn't have a problem with Speaker Baleka Mbete's considering this request.
What we are trying to caution the opposition as well as whoever that indulges in this debate is that let's be factual. Let's not compromise the facts for the sake of mere politicking or to paint the president as somebody who does not take parliamentary accounting seriously.
The facts are that the president gives account to the NA at least once per quarter and to the National Council of Provinces once a year. Written questions will be taken by the president throughout the year. The deputy president answers oral questions every 2 weeks, while he too takes written questions from both houses of parliament throughout the year. Ministers are also given opportunities for oral and written questions. But the DA argues that written responses don't carry sufficient weight.
The truth of the matter is many of the written questions that come back are simply obfuscations. What oral questions give opposition members of the Parliament the ability to do is to interrogate and drill down into the substance of those questions. And that's what's important. It's not ministers and the executive are not able to hide behind flowery language or the words of subordinates in the department, but they're actually held accountable as the Constitution intended them to be.
To accommodate questions standing over from last year, the president will be in the National Assembly on the 11th of March. Abra Babia, SABC News, Parliament.